This Coldwell Banker Pacesetter Steel Realtors property video is presented by Janice Cruz. Amazing home on 2 acres plus / in Gregory Portland, Texas. This home is immaculate. 2 large bedrooms upstairs and the master bedroom downstairs with updated master bathroom. 2 dining areas, gorgeous kitchen with granite. Recently installed air conditioner. There is a wood-burning fireplace, huge walk-in pantry, a bonus room, large 2-car garage, storage/workshop, covered patio and so much more. City water, propane, septic. For more information, review the details below or contact Janice Cruz at 361-229-0535.